It's a 2017 Lexus GX. From the power to impress with elegance and luxury in the city, to the capability and versatility to hit the trails in the great wide open, it's your partner in spontaneity. It comes with all the amenities you need. V8 engine, active front and rear anti-roll bar, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, memory steering wheel settings, power tilting steering column, auto tilt-away steering column, and automatic transmission. Of the GX 460, Motor Trend notes acceleration is quick and there's no trouble getting up to speed or climbing steep hills. Live a lifestyle that leaves a lasting impression in this Lexus. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.